Hello everyone, good morning. For this video, we will talk about the first lesson for the geometric designs, and that is polygons. Now, I believe you heard, because this lesson is technically discussed during our elementary days. So, ayun, let's have a review kung ano ba yung polygons. Now, we have, polygons. Word the the poly means marami, and then cons, that is mean angles, or ayun. Sige. A polygon, let's define this one. A polygon is a two-dimensional shape with straight sides. It can be classified according to the number of its sides, such as three-sided shape called the triangle and a four-sided shape called quadrilateral. Now, ano po yung ibang polygons? Sige daw. Try nyo daw isipin. Try nyo daw um, re... I mean, isipin nyo daw kung ano pa yung ibang polygons. Now, let me ask you this one. Is a two-sided shape a polygon? Of course, it is not a polygon. Kasi ang pinakamababang polygon, pinakamababang may number of sides na polygon is the triangle, and that is meron siyang tatlong uh, sides. Kasi kapag dalawa lang, you cannot enclose or make a polygon out of two lines. Um, para lang yun siyang letter V. Ganun. So, it is impossible for two-sided shape, that is quote-unquote shape, to be a polygon. Okay. Next one, we have, let's identify the following. Is it a polygon? Well, the first one, the yellow one, is a polygon, of course, because it is enclosed and then it has straight sides. The second one, the blue one, is not a polygon kasi though enclosed siya, wala siyang open na side. Ang kaso naman, the second figure is not using straight lines. Ang ginagamit niya ay mga curve. That means this one is automatically not a polygon. And then the red one, or pink ba to siya, it is not a polygon kasi first of all, it is open. Hindi siya closed. And then, yun. Yan ang pinakamali sa kanya. It is not closed figure. Remember, polygons are two-dimensional shapes. They have the length, or the length and the width, and then they are made up of straight lines, not curved lines. And the shape is closed. Dapat connected lahat ng lines. Otherwise, hindi siya polygon. Okay? Kindly remember those. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. The next one is now let's review the types. What are the types of polygons? Sige daw. Ano yung mga types ng polygons? Alright. First, we have the regular or irregular polygons. When we say regular polygon, it has all angles equal and all sides equal. Otherwise, that is irregular. The blue one, this one is irregular kasi, wait, regular siya because if you measure the length of each angle, um, interior angle na muna, interior angle, they will be equal to each other. So, merong 5 na angles dito, and that also mean merong 5 equal angles. Now, for the yellow one, irregular siya kasi hindi equal yung lahat ng side. Equal yung lahat ng angles niya. And then also the sides din. If you can see, meron tayong makikitang, ano ba tawag dyan? We have two 90-degree angles here, and then meron tayong dalawang obtuse angles, and then one acute angle. Alright? Sige. Now, Ano pa yung iba? What are the other types of polygons? Sige, let's have. Okay, the next one is concave or convex. A convex polygon has no angles pointing inwards. More precisely, no internal angle can be more than 180 degrees. If any internal angle is greater than 180, then the polygon is concave. Concave has a cave. Ayun. Alright. So, ayan. The yellow one is convex kasi if we look at it, walang angle, walang side wherein pasulod ang iyahang direction. While the green one is concave kasi meron siyang paloob. Parang gumagawa siya ng cave. And ayun. Now remember, no internal angle can be more than 180 kapag convex. Pero kapag greater than 180, that is concave. We also have simple or complex polygons. Simple polygon has only one boundary and it doesn't cross over itself. A complex naman, it intersects itself. So eto, the yellow one is a simple polygon. This one is a pentagon. Kasi wala siyang complicated na sige, walang nag-cross over or walang nag-intersect na side niya. While the blue one, ayan, para siyang isda. And yeah, this is a complex polygon. It is still a pentagon. Ang kaso nga lang, in this form, complex siya. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Alright, sige. I hope you remember all those types of polygons. Now we have the names of polygons. Eto, the most commonly, the regular polygons are the following. We have the equilateral triangle, pattern triangle. We have square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and then mga n-gon. Now, you can see in this chart kung ano ang kanilang number of sides and vertices, number of angles, size of interior angles, number of lines of symmetry, order of rotational symmetry, and then number of diagonals. Alright, ayan. Now, ano pa ba? How can you name a polygon? You can make names using this method. Say it starts with 20, so that is equals C, and then the sides is end with say 9. So mangyayari equals C enneagon. Ayan. So try kayo. That's it for this video. I hope you learned and I hope you remembered things about polygons. So ayun. Kindly comment down below if you have questions or clarifications. Thank you everyone and have a great day. Bye-bye.